Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to convert images into PDF in laptop or PC. First, we will go to the link that we left you in the description of the video. There, click on the option JPG to PDF. After that, click on the option Select JPG Images. Select the desired images and click Open. You can see the added images. Here, you can set the page orientation as well as the size of the sheet, and if you wish, you can set a margin for these images. Remember to leave the option checked. Merge all images in one PDF file. After this, click on Convert to PDF. Finally, click on Download PDF, and now you can see the PDF with your created images. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.